Good evening, parents and my dear students. I miss being there today to celebrate your accomplishments, which go from strength to strength with each passing year. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to our special guest, Rahul Sharma. Thank you so much, Rahul, for joining us on this momentous day to further motivate and encourage our children. The annual Awards Day is a special occasion for the ABWA family as we celebrate the victories of the year gone by. I am extremely proud of each and every one of you. Your efforts continue to take our school to greater heights. I believe that each accomplishment begins with a decision to try. At ABWA, we continuously strive to nurture a never-say-die spirit in our students. When we are faced with difficult situations and challenges, we try to overcome them with hard work and perseverance. We try to grow above them and learn from them with the support of our teachers and parents. This is the ABWA way of life. Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, "Nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm." So today, we do not just celebrate your victories, but we also celebrate your enthusiasm to try, the dedication, hard work and perseverance to achieve your goals. To all the parents and guardians present here today, a warm welcome. We are honored that you have entrusted us with the responsibility of providing these bright young minds with all the resources they need to succeed both in academics and in life. I'd also like to congratulate our inspiring senior leadership, Mrs. Sinha, Mrs. Bandekar, Ms. Shalini, all our teachers, extended faculty and support team. All the achievements we celebrate here today are a result of their relentless dedication to guide our students towards excellence. In keeping with our philosophy of holistic growth and development, and with our belief that every child has an innate potential that needs to be harnessed, and that every child is different and must be given the opportunity to excel in whichever field he or she chooses, we have another category of awards from this year on, those of stellar achievements in fields other than academics. We do believe that academics are very crucial, but equally important are other areas of development. But before we celebrate our annual day today, I'd like to take a few minutes to share some thoughts that I believe will help you in the coming year. Each of you is going to do great things in the world. But I know that the competition out there can be overwhelming. It's always great to be inspired by others, but never tell yourself that you have to be like them or be better than them. But you must tell yourself you are not in competition with anyone. You have to run your own race. You don't need to play the game of being better than anyone. Just aim to improve, to be better than you were before. Your responsibility is to be the best version of yourself. You need to compete with yourself and get better than what you were yesterday. The second point that comes to my mind is the key to continuous excellence. Here at ABWA, we have a diverse yet balanced curriculum that challenges you to think better, learn more, work harder, excel continuously. You are expected to get results every year and get good results every year. How do you continue to be the best version of yourself time after time? So for that, set your own goals, do everything you can to meet them, and reward yourself every time you accomplish a difficult feat. It is every small step that leads you to the top of the mountain. You will not be the best orator the first time you step up to the podium, or score a goal the first time you set foot on the football field. It is only with constant practice, undying determination, and an unwavering commitment that you soar above. Because, as the Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu said, a journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. Don't be afraid to ask questions or ask for help when you need it. Asking for help isn't a sign of weakness, it is a sign of strength. It shows that you have the courage to admit when you don't know something and that you want to learn something new. The next point that comes to my mind is that what do you think is the superpower that propels you to excel? Look at some real-life heroes who have the same superpower that each and every one of you already has. Michael Phelps, Sakshi Malik, PV Sindhu, Usain Bolt. What superpower do you have which is common with all of them? And that is hard work. Hard work is that superpower. Thomas Edison once said, "There is no substitute for hard work. The will to work hard and persevere is the only superpower you need." And our country's recent achievements at the Rio Olympics 2016 are a testament to this. Look at PV Sindhu. At the tender age of 8, she made a conscious decision to be the best version of her at a sport that she loved. You can imagine the numerous obstacles in her way, but with years of hard work, she stands proud as the first Indian woman to win silver at the Olympics. What's bigger than winning? Your parents, teachers, everyone here at ABWA, and all the people that you love are doing everything that they can to prepare you to be winners. They are the proudest when you achieve something. But my dear students, the journey to victory is as important as the victory itself. As you set your eyes on loftier goals, do remember to stay true to your values. At ABWA, we endeavor to instill the core values of transparency, empathy, passion, seamlessness, discipline, and integrity in all our students. A winner without values is incomplete. So respect each other, cherish your friends, take the time to help the less fortunate, and be a good person. Sindhu, after losing the badminton final to Marine, went over to hug and congratulate her opponent. That gesture of Sindhu helping her up and hugging her is a perfect snapshot of a true champion spirit and sportsmanship. Be it students, teachers, parents, each of us has been going that extra mile to turn goals into accomplishments. I'm proud and honored to see the immense growth of the ABWA family in this past year. To conclude, I'd like to leave you with a thought. While most people just dream of success, winners wake up and work towards it. They make it happen. So here's to each of you for being among the ones who wake up and make it happen. ABWA celebrates you today. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you.